The paleo diet is also known as Paleolithic or caveman diet, is eating only foods that were consumed by people in the Paleolithic era. There were no grocery stores, dairies, or fast food restaurants. So what can you eat? Basically only eating foods that are provided by the land or what our ancestors would hunt to live on. This diet includes vegetables, nuts, fruit, and meat. There is evidence that following this diet will improve body composition and weight loss. By combining exercise with this diet, you will also think more clearly and have a better mindset that will improve all areas of your life. There are plenty of other benefits by following a paleo diet. What are the benefits of the paleo diet? Below is a list of the reason following a paleo diet will be beneficial to you. Fewer toxins. No food additives will help your body detox and boost your immune system. Mental health. Good nutrition and a balanced diet will improve mental clarity. Sleep. Since you'll be improving your mental headspace, this leads to better sleep. Reduce inflammation. Cutting out dairy, alcohol, gluten, and sugar will reduce inflammation to the digestive system. Weight loss. Paleo is a low-carb diet and will dramatically help with weight loss. Energy. Eating foods from the paleo diet will increase your energy. Decrease allergies. Minimizing foods such as dairy and grains help people allergic to these foods. How is the paleo diet effective for weight loss? Eating foods that are biologically better that are easily burned. By this diet you'll be leaner. Fat-burning foods will naturally trigger your fat-burning hormones. Rather than storing the fat, you'll be burning it off. Most people on the paleo diet don't even think of it as a diet, because the food you eat tastes good and you'll be giving your body everything it needs. While getting the leanest, most amazing body you ever dreamed of, you'll also improve your self-esteem. There are several recipes available, but to find out if a paleo diet is right for you, I've discovered a list of recipes that will help you decide. If you're interested in trying this diet out for yourself, try these recipes for the next 30 days. Paleo recipes. Never a dull meal. You get to choose from 14 different paleo recipe categories. Most meals take 15 minutes to prep and 10 minutes to cook. You don't need to be a chef to cook these meals, because I'm definitely not. Yum. Paleo also includes desserts, which is good if you have a sweet tooth like me. Teriyaki chicken and fried rice. Paleo beef quesadilla. Baked pears. Yum. Paleo has a large selection of meals to choose from and promise their recipes will turn out looking just like they do in the cookbook. It's also the only paleo recipe library endorsed by weight loss expert Dr. Eric Wood. If you decide to become a VIP member, you'll get access to 100+ exclusive paleo recipes that you can get started on immediately. Also, you'll receive exclusive access to all new recipes and expert weight loss advice that will be uploaded to the members area on a weekly basis. This gives VIP members updated news and recipes that no one else will have access to. The best part is their 60-day risk-free money-back guarantee. Here's what VIP members have to say about Yum Paleo. I tried the Yum Paleo chicken and lime fried rice recipe. Nom. Totally loving paleo rice right now. I used paleo rice for me and regular rice for my partner, and mine actually tasted way better than his. He actually had food envy for the paleo option. The paleo rice just picks up on the flavors in the dish more strongly. The foundation of good health starts with the diet, and Yum Paleo provides just that. Recipes packed full of nutrition without the empty calories and carbs that so many typical modern recipes are full of. But not only are they full of nutrition, they are also full of taste, with spices and nicely nuanced flavors to ensure you don't miss out on any enjoyment and flavor. For anyone looking to age well, support their overall health, have lots of choices on what to eat from appetizers to desserts, and have great energy, you'll want to turn here. Plus, as is the case with many who adopt a paleo lifestyle, you're very apt to lose weight and get leaner by the day by eating the right way, not with boring diet foods, but rather real food. Yum Paleo has put together a well-organized site full of video and Q&A support so that you're guided every step of the way in making your recipes and in the cooking process. It's so easy, just about anyone can do it. A win-win. Join today for the following bonuses. Bonus number 1: the scientific fat loss system. Want to lose weight while eating delicious food and still having a life? Scientific fat loss is a proven, medically recommended weight loss created by licensed physician and weight loss expert Dr. Eric Wood, ND. It's a modified paleo approach to fat loss that takes the best aspects of paleo eating and combines them with never-seen-before breakthrough dietary science to enable stunning fat loss results. Bonus number 2: the 12-week paleo transition guide. With this 12-week paleo transition guide, we give you everything you could possibly need in your paleo journey, including week-by-week, day-by-day meal plans, and shopping lists, so we are with you every step of the way and you always know exactly what to do, making your transition to paleo easy breezy. Plus, with this ultimate transition guide, you can wash away all the junk and garbage that your body's been holding onto internally, and give your fat-burning metabolism a massive kick in the butt. Bonus number 3: Secrets of Eternal Youth exclusive video recording with Dr. Eric Wood, ND. You'll learn Dr. Eric's top 3 anti-aging secrets. Secrets which he usually only shares with his clients in the anti-aging medical clinic where he works as the medical director, at a rate of up to $500 per hour. But today, you can get the inside medical scoop on how to rewind signs of aging, heal your body from the inside out, and not only make yourself look 10 years younger, but feel 10 years younger too. Bonus number 4: Exclusive metabolic boosting secrets. You will get immediate access to Dr. Eric's full collection of bite-sized fat loss videos, where he will give you special tips and easy tools you can implement to quickly boost your fat loss and achieve incredible results. Bonus number 5: Think Weight Away Weight Loss Hypnosis Course. This is a unique formula that will literally skyrocket your success, because it teaches you the 6 easy steps to literally making yourself psychologically enjoy losing weight. Conclusion: now that you know what the paleo diet is about, it's time to decide if you want to give it a try. If you do, I recommend Yum Paleo. They offer support, exclusives for their members, and bonuses that will help you reach your desired result to lose weight and keep it off long term. There are so many recipes available, you'd never have the same meal twice. That is, unless you wanted to. The benefits of following a paleo diet are what interested me, and the fact that you don't have to eat a bunch of tasteless food that I wouldn't be able to stick to or keep down. I'm excited to find out your results on the paleo diet and would love to hear from you. Leave your comments, I'll talk to you soon.